Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a shamrock paper chain, just like this. Now you can make your shamrock chain as long as you want or as short as you want. I'm just going to show you guys how to make the shamrock and the actual chain length to connect it. For this craft I'm using 8.5 by 11 sheets of paper, and to give you a good idea, one sheet of paper will give you about 2 shamrocks. To make the strips of paper, you just want to half the sheet of paper long ways, hot dog style, until you reach 8 strips of paper. Once you have your strips of paper all cut out, you'll want to fold the strip of paper in half and then connect it like so that you'd be forming a heart, and then you want to staple the 2 ends together. For one shamrock, you're going to need 4 of these hearts. So once you have your paper chain the way that you want it, the length that you want it, then you want to make sure that your end piece has this little loop on it. So once you have this loop on it, you want to take an extra piece of paper, loop it through, and then, oops, almost lost it, and then make a circle, staple that together. So now you got the loop. So this is the part where you want to hang it up. So ta-da! This is what it looks like, the shamrock paper chain. So here's what it looks like all hung up. The reason why you want to add the loop and extra circle on the end of the chain is so that it makes it easier to hang up. There are plenty of added accessories that you can add onto your chain. You can put rainbows, you can put shiny gold coins. The possibilities are endless. Alright, hope you guys have a la parig sonadiv. That means Happy St. Patrick's Day in Irish Gaelic. If you guys want to learn how to make this origami shamrock or even this paper rainbow, I'll have a link in the description down below. Like, follow, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you next time. Bye.